You gotta work with me here, people. Why do you think I'm doing this? Whenever I do this, it's because I want a reaction. That's the only reason I do it. And that and, you know, other...
Turn your head and cough, America.
Turn your head and cough very tall, America.
Yeah.
All right, giant Americans, you seem fine. Turn your head and cough, American giraffes. Now, that raises an interesting point. Do giraffes cough?
It's a very good question.
Well, I don't know. I think because